Hi guys, Pavel from Emotd speaking. In today's video we will speak about this SilentiumPC fan with name Fluctus 120 PWM. What I can see what I can feel when I take this box in hands, that it is quite heavy. So I'm quite curious what I can find inside the box. First, what I got was cable extension. Nothing special, but always welcome. Then pack of screws, nice black screws, and fan itself. Yeah, box is empty. And fan itself. Fan has very decent, long enough daisy chainable cable, which is fine. And now let's go about the fan itself. Technical details about the fan. There is not much of them. So first we know that the fan is 120 mm. The other information is that the RPM range is from 300 to 1800 RPM, which is pretty solid and enough for any average use case. Next information is that this fan has a standard PWM 4-pin connector. Last information, which is probably the most interesting one, is that manufacturer guarantee you the warranty for running this fan for 100,000 hours, which is much higher than the average of this category of the fan. And that's all necessary information which we can get from the manufacturer's side. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed the review of this Silentium fan, and if you like, please subscribe and give it a like. See you soon.